Mamalaman tayo. Nakaswete speed tayo. Vlog. Okay ka na pala kayo. Hello. She met the oppas.
The oppas?
Yeah, you know they're handsome. Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. And today is the first day of our trip going to Wyoming. Makiki-camping kami doon. So, we're gonna be there for a week. And then, after that, may pupuntahan na naman kami. So, this is gonna be a lot of travel. A lot of gala with the family. So, stay tuned! Our first pin from our neighbor. He's not in the Pathfinder, but he gave us pins.
Hello, the moon. I can't shake the sun.
Mamalaman tayo, nakaswete speed tayo. Left lane close. Missy! Hi! Andito ulit kami sa 1880 Town. Lala, kamo. Hi! Hi!
Cup noodles to curries.
Oh, did you bring the noodles, Kumat?
Yeah. The little adventurer is sleeping there. Just like an angel. Little adventurer. No more songs. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer. Just need some space. Hello, Mishi. Good morning. Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters on the open. Deep in the liking for you is all I need until my
We don't have sibuyas. O di dyan mga latay na ambay.
Hello, vlog. Lurker ka na pala ngayon, mama.
Oo,
Hello, Mishi!
Mishi!
Dadi!
Mishi!
Ano pa kanala ko?
Welcome to Wyoming, Mishi!
Ano mo yung gawang dollar sa dadan ko?
A pound data. Ketchup.
to catch you if you fall deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need until my heart gives in.
Nagkakalat sila yung mga iba sila.
Everything I can for you.
We're here at Complex. We're gonna look for Ate Princess. Pero baka wala sila. Mukhang outdoor yung activities nila ngayon. Let's go. Mishi. We are the Pathfinder strong. The servants of God are we. King Jesus our Savior's coming back for you and me. Uy, Next na camping, 5 years old ka na, adventurer ka na.
Kikitread ka na din dyan ng pins.
Makikitread ka na din doon, doon ng mga pins nila.
Pero ang ibit-bit mo yung carpet na malaki.
Bit-bitin natin. Competitive yung mga magulang mo, kaya dapat madami kang pins.
Kayo ni ate ha, you go and dapat tibagyo ko
15 years old to Sona, no? Balento pa lang ba?
Ano mo madjubag nga ko lukatam ko kasi mo latan.
Ay, one kasya.
Okay, wanna trade?
Nakabakpak.
Kasi mo nilatag mo.
Nakabakpak dati ko pang pins.
Order ta per state.
Per state?
Kalo ko nagkapakati pamilya ti Budol.
Hey guys, so here's everything I got, which I'm so good, guys. We Jasmine went to the market and we put up a sign that said trading. Okay, so
It's already good.
so good. So I have the California one.
California. Here you go. Wow. Nice.
Then I have the Korea one.
Korea. What's the
Show
Korea?
the flag at the back.
Wow.
Nice kang mga
So did you meet Korean people then?
Yes, I did.
Did you meet the
I also got Philippines.
Oh, wow. Who did you meet from the Philippines? Oh, Central Filipino SDA Church.
Oh, and I got honors. I got honors.
What honors did you get?
Hold on. Sorry, I got honors.
Oh, ang ganda na naman ng honors nila. What's this?
honor mo lang eh.
Advent Health. Advent Health. Okay, promoting Advent Health nurses. Purpose. Advent Health. Oh, good job.
And then I got these two from trading again. Then I have Illinois.
Uy, wow. That's in Chicago, Illinois.
When we were in the
Illinois.
hotel lane, we traded with other kids too.
We got Texas. Because they thought that we have the Ferris wheel, Alberta.
And then I got
What's this? Show it.
Rocky Mountains.
Oh, Gillette, Wyoming. Gillette, Wyoming.
Florida.
Florida. Oh, wow. Ang dami.
Do you still have Alberta Lake?
No.
Hala, you didn't keep a Ferris wheel for us?
No.
Hala, no more Ferris wheel?
Buy more?
No more.
No more na.
Tita, meron pa
Because a
kayo
lot of
Alberta?
people are looking for the Ferris wheel.
Did you keep one?
I kept this one.
Oh, that's the one.
The Alberta Conference.
Don't you know that your Alberta Ferris wheel is collectible? A lot of people are looking for that.
I know, that's why a lot of people were asking me. I said, no, sorry, this is not, I don't really like the trade, so.
You should have given them that Alberta thing.
Then I also got
Next time when we attend, Mishy's already 5 years old. By that time, she's gonna be an adventurer already. We're gonna bring a lot of pins.
Yo, where's-
Hey, show me your honors. What did you do to get honors?
Oh, I did CPR.
Oh, really? So what did you get for CPR?
Pala may Advent Health ano siya.
Ah, the Advent Health because
Oh, they
the
gave me this free bag and they also gave me a flashlight.
you should have asked. My tita is a nurse. Can they apply in your hospital because they're moving somewhere that there's Advent Health.
You should promote us there.
Also, Tito Mac, I got,
She met the oppas.
The oppas?
yeah, you know they're handsome.
Sayut!
And I got the free.
Hey, you need to use you need to use ang tawag nito sunscreen na. You're burned already. Oh, CPR, Advent Health University. What else? What else did you get for your honors? I want to see the honors because I know that you will do something to get your honors. Advent Health na naman.
And I won a race. I won the race.
Oh.
Yeah. And then I also answered the thing because they were asking questions about the hospital, so we had to do like a test kind of. And then, yeah.
So what's the question?
Oh, like, oh, how do you do CPR? So it's like, oh, just like this.
Ano yung nagkatindok yun?
Oh, may ronda.
I'll get here. Oh, okay.
Oh, trading na, trading.
Can I have?
Budol is life.
The scammer yan. Don't get scammed.
What if you don't want the card on the side? This one with that, and then this one with that.
Can I see that compass? Can I see? I'm not gonna trade. Oh, this looks good. Oh, it's Miami. Oh, where's the pen cover?
It's in the book.
Is this? Where did you get that?
It's from Miami.
Miami.
I got it, man. I traded for it.
You traded it?
Get a sign. Where's the microphone? Can I trade my Canada pin? Yeah. Yes. What do you want? I have this set. There's this set, and then there's this set. I have three sets. And then this one is a part of a set. And then this is a set. What do you want to trade it for?
Well, that's a 2019, the Chosen.
I mean, the old ones are kind of rare though.
Yeah, they're really
It's up to you.
Do you have 1980s pin? We're trading for the 1990s and the 1980s pin. And early 2000s.
No!
Juju, it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Mishi! Mishi!
Dali nga nilang mas kami. Bigyan mo lang ng Doritos yung mga yan eh.
That's only for their happiness, don't worry.
He said he 30 yesterday.
No?
You offered me 30?
Oh, that's expensive.
Si Kamo laga. Ikaw pala ang nang-i-scam eh. You're the one scamming the kids. Natoy na kita scammers.
Nala ka lang mabubog.
Mishi! Tinitingnan ni Mishi yung mga off-lag. Yeah, Mishi! The ate is over there trading her pins to the Koreans. Ayan.
This one, I used to have the full set. One was movable, but I traded it for...
Trinade mo yung movable?
Yes.
Kasi kulang naman yun eh.
For
Diba? You're
Korean.
missing one part there.
No, because it's because the Korean ones are international, guys. The international is really rare. Do you know how many people went up to me when I was walking because they saw I had Korean and Chinese pins? They're like, "Oh, can I offer for that? Can I offer for that?" Do you know how many times I had to say no? Exactly. Okay.
Let me see that. Ang ganda nito ah. It's moving?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Magkano kayo magpagawa ng ganito yung mga moving? Marites! Tingnan nyo naman yung isa. Gusto nang makisali. In 5 years, Mishi, competitive tayo. Lagyan na natin dito sa vest. Next time that you guys attend, we will get a vest already. That's the Pathfinder vest. This is the trading, This is the trading, this is the trading spot. The trading spot for all the pins. Amoy adobo. Amoy adobo dito sa may Filipino flag.
We did, but we traded it for some Korean one. Sorry. Run!
Amo nga paglagton, mother, ma-hype man atan. Ha? Nag-iisip pa siya. Say thank you.
You say thank you. You say thank you. You say thank you. Canada! Hip hip! Look at the Canadian flag.
Facial expression.
Ayaw na naman niya magsalita. Alam na naman yung nabibideo siya.
Anak, wag sa tiyan.
Lalabas dyan yung pizza, anak. Lalabas yung manok dyan, tsaka pineapple.
Lalabas yung Hawaiian pizza ng Papa John's.
Proud na proud pa man din yung gumawa na walang bacon yung ginawa niya.
Sakit si Jungkook.